stacking here. I've got 3 of them now.
Alright, so what are we doing today?
Alright, so we are doing a burning map today, dudes. It is going to be a ton of fun. If you're new to the channel, definitely smash that subscribe button. Also, leave a comment down below. Definitely say hello, because when the video goes out, I reply to tons of amazing people. So I'm going to try to reply to as many of you awesome people as I can. And I think you guys are really going to enjoy this one. It is actually based on something that happened recently, Jen.
Oh, I cannot wait to find out what it is.
Okay, what happened recently that you could think of?
A lot of things. There was a hurricane. Somebody tried to break into our house and kill us.
They tried to kill us? Maybe. It actually has to do with the hurricane.
Oh, okay.
Burning disasters today.
Oh, nice.
Oh, before you go in there, maybe you should switch yourself to something, a little bit better.
What? What do you mean?
I mean, you make a nice elephant villager, but wouldn't you like to be Balloon Boy or something?
I kind of actually want to be Alice No, the Cheshire Cats.
The Cheshire Cat?
Yes.
And now you look... Oh my god! Insane! Wait. Okay. Mine won't even change. Wait, go
Why
over...
would you want to change when you look like that?
Okay, go over to Balloon Boy.
Okay. Okay, you want me to switch?
Yeah. Alright, we should go. We should get started.
Okay.
Wait, one more. Let's fight.
Okay, one
Goku!
more. Goku, yeah! Alright,
Super Saiyan.
Super Saiyan, okay.
Saiyan Goku.
Okay, here we go. Wait, which button is it? This one.
Oh my god, you're a Saiyan elephant.
I love it. Wait, one more.
Okay, last one.
Mike's goat. No, not that one. But yeah.
You're gonna be the goat?
I'm gonna be the goat.
Alright, we have to go. You look like something from Dr. Seuss.
Go.
Okay, so this is the button that brings us there, guys. And basically, in burning maps, what happens is we go into the structure, it will burn to the ground. Whoever survives the longest is the winner. We get cool different kits. We can dress up and get amazing
Why do you
weapons.
have so many swords?
I don't know. I just keep getting more by the second. But don't worry, when we pick our I just got another one. When we pick our classes, it should get rid of the stuff that we're wearing, I'm thinking.
Alright, so let's go up here.
Alright, so I haven't seen these, so I don't know what they look like.
Oh, there's a volcano! Be careful, there's a lot of holes.
Oh, we're on like a volcano right now.
There's a volcano.
Look! Oh!
Oh!
Oops.
What happened?
The hole got me.
There's a tornado with a really creepy face.
Oh my god, I love the tornado. I told Mithy to make it like the one from your dream.
Oh my gosh, it looks just like that.
And then look at the face on the volcano.
Oh, I didn't even notice the face.
And this one is Hurricane Irma in front of us.
Oh yeah.
Ruben!
What is it? Does it have a face?
It has a wither inside. It's like a wither body.
Okay, I'm in the boat with Ruben.
Alright, so I'll get in the one with Bommy and we'll go check them out.
So cool. Look. Ah! No!
How did you do that?
I always press the wrong button.
Oh my god, Bommy blew me up and killed me! Mithy! Alright, well, let's pick a class.
Okay.
Alright, so let's see what we have today. It's dangerous here today, isn't it?
It really is. There's so many holes.
Earthquake class. Look at the giant piece of dirt right there.
Love that.
Hurricane Witherstorm class right here. Looks amazing.
Oh my god, ready for disaster Gen class. Look, I have a cloud in my hands.
You have Cloud with you. You're holding him. Oh my god, that one is epic.
And I think I'm dressed as Barney for some reason.
It's only fitting, I believe. And then we have Ready for Disaster Pat class. What am I holding?
What are you holding?
Wait, should I just pick it up so I can see what it is?
Yes.
I am holding a pillow.
Oh, that's perfect.
Okay, then we have the Tsunami class. Look, it's holding a big block of water.
Oh my god.
And then the Volcano class.
Alright, so I want to
I
be...
can't believe I fell again.
No, you didn't.
It's like Swiss cheese walking on this thing.
Alright, I want to be ready for disaster Jen.
Alright, so I will follow suit. I really will go with this one here and be ready for disaster Pat. We're like basically wearing a Snuggie.
So I get savagely cute Cloud. And I get a first aid potion with health boost, regeneration, and resistance too.
Okay, so I have the runaway potion, speed potion 4, and jump boost potion 4, and of course I have my pillow with knockback 1.
Look how adorable we look. Oh, you're a whale.
I'm a whale?
You're a whale. I see the eyes, and I'm Barney.
It's only fitting.
Yes.
Oh man, Cloud is huge,
I
isn't
know, I
it?
love him.
It's so savage. All right, so we're gonna pick which one we're gonna go into first.
Let's do tornado.
Well, no, don't you think though we should go with?
Oh yeah, we should do the hurricane.
Because this is how we were dressed for the
Okay,
hurricane.
yes.
You saw the vlog, guys.
Yes.
All right, let's back it up and let's go.
Go!
Oh, look at pink bed.
No, it's adorable.
Oh, and then my bed is on this side. This is supposed to kind of be like our closet, I think.
Oh, golden volcanoes. I'm
Uh-oh.
assuming those are like
Look at my screen.
golden apples. Oh, what is that?
I don't know, but I want it. How am I gonna get back inside? If I go down... Oh, Jen's down there.
Where are? Oh, just jump for it.
Ah!
It's fine.
What'd I get?
What is it? It
I-
looked like poop.
I got a tremor. Right click to make the other player turn all over the place.
Oh
Yes.
no, get away.
Oh man, I can't believe he added that back in. Remember the spinning thing?
No, I love it. Okay, I'm gonna go this way.
Okay, so I need to get more. No, she just got it before me.
Yes! Oh, what's that?
Is that sand?
Sand.
Oh no, are you gonna put that above my head?
Maybe.
Oh, I just pulled a Jen. Luckily,
What are you doing today?
I've been very ill lately.
It's like you replaced me.
I mean, you're like the Pat today for some reason. Remember, you must be killed by the other player. A rule that only happened because Jen fell out of the structure so often.
I got some chorus fruit.
I just heard an anvil fall.
Oh, you did? Uh-oh.
You didn't try to like drop one on me as I
No.
was running by, right?
Oh no, I just heard one too.
Wait, I got a golden volcano, so that's what we could eat. I got some TNT. Oh my god, it's burning really bad.
Is it?
I'm coming down.
Oh no.
All right, so there's some water, which is gonna make this safe,
Oh
right?
no, I don't know where to go. I don't know. Where is it? Where's the burning? I see drippage everywhere.
And I also got a wither hurricane.
Uh-oh, it's coming.
Jen, I don't want to be alone.
Ah! No.
It makes you levitate too. Oh man.
Okay, I'm gonna go over here.
All right, is it safe over
I
there?
think it is. Oh! I see lava! Uh-oh. The whole place is on fire.
Oh, this is bad.
Okay, I'm just gonna go right over here.
All right, that looks like a safe spot. Tremor!
Ah! No!
Oh my god. She has no control.
This is horrible!
Oh, I can't believe you survived
oh
it.
my gosh! Okay, first aid potion!
Yes!
Oh!
Oh man, it's coming. Oh my god, the whole thing's burning.
Okay, golden volcano!
Okay, golden volcano for me too. No! I'm in the lava!
I'm gonna die! No!
Oh my god, that was so clutch. And I'm burned to death as well.
Oh, that was really close.
How have you not fallen in one of these holes
I
yet?
have no idea. Ah! Oh, that was no!
Okay, it happened. I'm just waiting for that to happen. Finally, Jen has fallen in a hole. And oh
All right,
man,
let me see what I want to be next.
that place burned to the ground so bad. Goodbye, Irma. We're coming back as a new class
Oh my
now.
gosh, I want to be volcano, and then we should do the volcano next.
All right, how about this? Volcano against tsunami, so like fire against water.
Yeah, that's perfect.
I think I'm a lady, but I think that's okay.
All right, so I get the giant magma block with knockback 1 and eruption. Right click to make fire appear below the other player.
That's horrible. Then it's gonna
so
burn. I'm gonna
cool.
fall out of the world. All right, let's come over here for a selfie.
Okay. You look good. Ah! What is wrong with you?
You were about to compliment me too, weren't you? I got a giant water block with
Wait,
knockback 1.
You need to see how cool this is. Look, it's an actual volcano in my hands.
Oh, I got one of those before.
Erupting.
That is beautiful.
It's
Check
amazing.
Check out what I got. This is really amazing. So you got the thing that puts fire below me, right?
Yes.
If you do that, I'll use my soothing wave. Right click to make temporary water appear above you.
Oh, that's so awesome.
So when the lava comes, I'm using this thing and I'm gonna be alive.
All right, selfie.
Oh.
Selfie, come over here.
Oh, sorry about that. Fire
So
versus
it's
water.
Fire versus water. Hot versus cold.
I look very feminine today, don't I?
All right, yes, you do. We're
Do you think I look gorgeous?
so gorgeous?
Okay, which one are we doing?
We're
Volcano?
doing the volcano next.
All right, warning, lava will rise in 30 seconds, Jen.
What?
It's
Oh,
rising.
we need to get up. Oh no.
Miffy.
Oh, okay.
Um,
where do we go from here?
You just keep going up.
Oh, there's a ladder?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
All right, you're probably going to want to come up like, as soon as possible.
I'm trying to, but I'm kind of freaking
We
out
have 30
right now.
seconds before you...
Ah! No! Stop it!
Okay, no! No! Oh no!
Yes!
Oh god.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
That's what happens when you mess with me.
Oh, the lava's coming right now.
I see it.
What do we do?
Run!
Oh, this might be risky.
Okay, I'm going over here.
Okay.
Did I just see you fly?
I used an ender
what just
pearl.
happened?
I ender pearled over here.
Oh! There's an ender pearl right here.
Oh man, it's coming up. I'm in a bad spot.
Oh man. Okay, I need to get up higher.
Wait, this is a horrible. Hello?
Where do we go from here?
The middle of the room.
Where?
We need to get to the middle.
The middle? Oh, okay.
No!
I'm gonna try to ender pearl it. Wait, I don't want this to be over.
I'm coming back. Wait, you said two? We have to keep enjoying it. Oh man, I can't. Okay.
Okay, can I teleport?
Yeah.
Okay.
Teleport right now.
Okay, but keep in mind, you already lost.
Okay, it's 1 to 1. It's tied.
Yes.
All right, we have to get up.
There's so many ladders. Oh no.
Oh man,
Smithy, what are you doing to me?
I can't do it. There's some pressures on. Wait, I'm making progress.
Okay, gonna go over here. I can't do this.
All right, I'm making progress.
Lava. Wait, I have an idea. What if I just patch up the hole? Okay, that didn't work.
Is that from your sand?
I'm not here.
Oh man, I'm in trouble.
It's over.
Wait, I'm no, no.
That was so cool. I love that one.
Oh man, that was so epically made. It is really, really hard. Did you just Kim Kardashian me off this thing?
I don't know what's happening. I'm making everything burn. Why am I burning so much?
Oh, I used when I was freaking out. I used. Wait, did you use I used the volcano thing I got, so everything's burning underneath you.
Oh, okay. Well, there's kind of a lot of holes now, like everywhere. The whole thing is a hole.
Oh, okay. I'm coming up.
I'm still burning.
Can we
Make it stop.
Spawn point. Spawn point.
Oh,
Okay, everything's fine.
okay. We need to pick new classes for the final round.
All right, that structure is completely gone at this point. Apparently, if you were completely epic, you'd be at that point right at the top over there.
All right, so we're tied right now.
Okay, yes, we are tied.
I want to be the Hurricane Wither.
Okay, the Hurricane Wither.
Yes.
So that means
Oh no, I just fell in a hole.
I am going to be the Earthquake for the final round. And Jen, I really feel like at the end, we reset the map, we do the volcano again.
Yeah, let's do that. Oh, no.
What are you doing?
I don't know.
All right, get your class. I'm going to stay over here for the selfie, okay?
Okay.
I got a tremor O to make you turn in place because I'm the Earthquake class. In a giant dirt block, I look epic.
Okay, so I got a giant wither block
Okay.
and wither hurricane. It gives you wither 2, blindness, and levitation.
That sounds absolutely horrible.
The perfect concoction.
All right, so come over here for the selfie. Do not follow the hole,
Okay.
no matter what you
All
do.
right, I'm trying. Coming over.
All right, selfie, and we are looking epic. I love the giant blocks he gave
Me
us.
too.
Okay, so all we have to do is just go over here, and then tornado it is, right?
Let's do it.
Good luck to you.
Bad luck to you.
All right, you always got to say that. Always got to rub that in, don't you? I also got the Wither Hurricane Potion too, Jen, so I'm going to be coming after you with that.
Oh, I got a tornado potion.
What does that one do?
It gives you levitation.
All right, so that is pretty helpful. I think I found like a little secret area. No, I didn't.
All right, I'm gonna keep going down.
All right, so I want to make sure that I get everything that's up here. Yes, I got a golden volcano.
Oh no! What is this? What is this?
What's happening?
I don't know. I found a ladder that leads to a hole that leads to the end of the universe. I think I need to get out of here before I die.
You didn't go in this little hole down here, did you? Wait, I might have found the best hiding spot in the map. It looks very risky.
Where are you?
I'm all the way at the bottom.
Oh, okay. I'm not. Oh, there you are.
Look, if we could fit in there, you'll win the whole thing.
How do we get in there?
You have to be a little bit risky and make the jump down.
Oh, I don't think I can.
I'm too scared.
I can't do it. Wait, are we stuck here now?
You might be stuck here. Not me. Bye.
Wait. No, I have a levitation potion also.
I'm thinking when it gets really bad, we can try to make the jump down.
Yes.
And whoever makes it down will probably win the whole thing.
The lava's coming.
Wait, but there's more. Golden volcanoes.
Okay, I'm gonna go
I can't reach them. There's no time.
over here.
All right, yeah, we need to get down now, Jen. It's going really bad. We have to go.
Okay. Okay, let's go.
There isn't a lot of time. We need to get towards that hole, I think.
Okay, should I just do it?
Oh, I'm gonna chorus fruit into it.
I'm too nervous.
Ooh, I found a good spot outside. I found a really safe spot. Goodbye, Jen.
What? No, where are you?
I'm outside in a hidden area. It is brilliant.
No.
Good luck making it into that hole.
I'm gonna try to find you.
You might be able to make your way out here. There's a little hole that leads to the outside, and then you can just climb around the surface.
Okay, I'm looking everywhere. Oh no, this is bad. The lava is coming closer.
You're way too high up.
Wait, I found something.
Did you?
I think. Wait, no.
Are you outside?
Oh. Ah! Okay, I made it out here.
You did?
Yes.
Oh my god, just keep going outside and you'll get to me.
I found the area. Area. You know. Oh, the lava's right there.
Oh, she's making it. I looked at her screen. Let me see what I can do. What can throw her off right now? Well, you know what? Enjoy that fire. Did I just use that on you? Is there fire below you?
No.
Don't you lie. I see the fire burning over there.
There's no fire.
All right, what do I have to use? Okay, so is it bad where you are? Just be honest.
No, not really.
Would it be bad if you started spinning in circles right now?
Why?
Oh, there's so much fire above us.
Oh man, this is horrible.
The lava's coming down. It's burning
Where
everything.
are you? Come over here.
I'd have to parkour. I'm not risking it. I'm not making that risk right now. All
I
right,
never got to use the potion on you.
come out here. I'm out here.
Where are you?
You saw where I was.
Oh wait, I see your name. Okay, I'm gonna try to get as close to you as. Ah! The lava! It's coming!
If you fall now, you do lose.
Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna go over here.
I don't think you can get to me unless you went through the wall, to be perfectly honest with you. I'm trapped.
Ah!
Wait, are you out here?
I'm trapped too.
Jen, I see you.
Oh no.
I see your feet.
You do?
I do.
I don't know why I did this. This is a horrible decision.
At least we can see each other, sort of.
Wait, I have sand.
The sand falls, Jen.
I forgot about that.
Slight problem, right?
Slight issue.
Oh,
I know,
man.
I have TNT. I can make a bridge.
Oh, my God. Are you coming?
I'm coming. I'm making a TNT bridge.
I don't know if this is a good idea. This is
I
all
made it.
we're all going to blow up. You-
Okay.
Oh, that's victory. Oh, you can come back so we can enjoy the end of it together.
No.
No?
No, I'm just kidding. I'm coming.
And Jen is going down. All right, the blindness wore off. I'm actually still alive somehow.
How are you still alive right now?
But you do realize what you did over here might cause the CNC to blow up very soon.
I really hope it does.
Oh, man, this is the best hiding spot. You could last here super long compared to usual. Okay, you got I have TNT too. Can you light it up, though? Or are you just trying to kill us? It's going to burn your
I'm just
setting.
hoping it burns.
You
I'm gonna trap you.
I think you just protected me from the lava. Oh my god,
Oh,
I'm
no.
safe.
Oh no.
Look at this. Nope, it's over. Golden volcano. Oh, it's too late.
It's
But dudes,
over.
we are resetting the map. We're gonna try that volcano again. We're getting to the top of that
yes,
thing.
we have to.
Alright, dudes, we are back. Jen has the elephant ears and nose once again, and we are doing this. Are you ready, Jen?
Yes, I'm picking the best class once again, the Ready for Disaster Gen class.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go with the volcano class so I can choose to burn you as well.
Okay.
Alright, so let's go with this, and we are jumping back in.
Oh no!
You fell off?
Yes.
Alright, so we need to last a little bit longer this time, okay?
Alright, smack it.
This is our last chance to do this.
Okay.
Volcano.
Here we go.
Alright, we know what's
have to
happening.
hurry. We have to go quick.
Alright, we can't just dilly-dally.
Wait, is this a levitation potion?
I can't look. I have no idea.
No, it's not.
Alright, we just have to go.
Okay, let's go.
We can't talk about this right now.
I'm wasting time.
Okay, so we have to make it over the little parkour.
Alright, here we go.
It's really not too bad.
Oh, yes, I got an ender pearl.
Okay, so we just go over here. Wait, we're supposed to make a huge jump to it?
We are?
It's
How
not...
do we get over there?
Oh, this is bad. What do we need?
Oh no.
Oh, there's an ender pearl right here.
Okay, yeah, ender pearl.
Okay, so you have an ender pearl
I'm
too?
gonna just ender pearl. It's right there. Yes.
Oh, you made it. Oh my god, it's coming up.
Oh my god.
We don't have a lot of time. Okay, so I'll ender pearl over two.
Okay, and then we have to jump. It's working.
Alright, you have to like switch sides completely as you're going up. It's the only way to do it, Jen.
How do we do this?
It's not that easy.
Wait, I think I'm doing it, but your big head's in the way.
To be honest, you messed me up really badly. I'm almost up.
Okay, me too. Me too.
I made it.
Ah!
I'm up.
You are?
How do we get higher? We have to look for more ender pearls probably.
It's coming.
Oh, there has to be more stuff. Oh, sand. If I put down the sand, I've got 6 sand to build myself up to the top.
Oh my gosh, this is awful. I can't make it up.
You can't make it up?
I can't make it up.
Do you have any more ender pearls?
No, I don't.
What are you gonna
I
do?
have no idea.
Wait, if you get out here, you can actually just literally climb the side of the volcano to the top. You can teleport.
I can.
I'll let you
Okay,
teleport.
Okay, I'm coming.
I'm getting all the way to the top. The ladder,
Yes.
all the way.
Yes!
You was trying to knock me off after I let you teleport to me. Over here, yes. I'm still rising.
Oh, it goes up even higher. Okay, I'm gonna go over here,
I can't believe it.
and then.
I'm at the top. No, I'm not.
Oh! Oh no, I fell.
Jen, there's
What?
a spot that says freedom. I just need to make it a little further.
Oh no. Okay, from here I go like that.
Okay, so if I put down the TNT bridge over here, I'm sorry you can't make it up because I have the thing in the way.
No. I'm dead.
Jen is
But I
down.
want to teleport to you.
I made it to the top. Look. To do with the hurricane.
Oh, okay.
Burning disasters today.
Oh, nice.
Oh, before you go in there, maybe you should switch yourself to something, you know, a little bit better.
What? What do you mean?
I mean, you make a nice elephant villager, but wouldn't you like to be Balloon Boy or
I
something?
kind of actually want to be Alice. No, the Cheshire Cats.
The Cheshire Cat?
Yes.
And now you look. Oh my god! Insane! Wait. Okay. Mine won't even change. Wait, go
Why
over
would you want to change?
back in here. I've got 3 of them now.
Alright, so what are we doing today?
Alright, so we are doing a burning map today, news. It is going to be a ton of fun. If you're new to the channel, definitely smash that subscribe button. Also, leave a comment down below. Definitely say hello, because when the video goes out, I reply to tons of amazing people. So I'm going to try to reply to as many of you awesome people as I can. And I think you guys are really going to enjoy this one. It is actually based on something that happened recently, Jen.
Oh, I cannot wait to find out what it is.
Okay, what happened recently that you could think of?
A lot of things. There was a hurricane. Somebody tried to break into our house and kill us.
They tried to kill us? Maybe. It actually. Alright, we have to go. You look like something from Dr. Seuss.
Go.
Okay, so this is the button that brings us there, guys. And basically, in burning maps, what happens is we go into the structure, it will burn to the ground. Whoever survives the longest is the winner. We get cool different kits. We can dress up and get amazing
Why do you
weapons.
have so many swords?
I don't know. I just keep getting more by the second. But don't worry, when we pick our I just got another one. When we pick our classes, it should get rid of the stuff that we're wearing, I'm thinking.
Alright, so let's go up here.
Alright, so I haven't seen these, so I don't know what they look like.
Oh, there's a volcano! Be careful, there's a lot of holes.
Oh, we're on like a volcano right now.
And when you look like that.
Okay, go over to Balloon Boy.
Okay. Okay, you want me to switch?
Yeah. Alright, we should go. We should get started.
Okay.
One more. Let's
Wait,
try.
okay, one
Goku!
more. Goku, yeah!
Oh,
Alright,
Super
which-
Saiyan.
Super Saiyan, okay.
Saiyan Goku.
Okay, here we go. Wait, which button is it? This one.
Oh my god, you're a Saiyan elephant.
I love it. Wait, one more.
Okay, last one.
Mike's goat. No, not that one. But yeah,
You're gonna be the goat?
I'm gonna be the goat.
Ow.
There's a volcano.
Look! Oh!
Oh!
Oops.
What happened?
The hole got me.
There's a tornado with a really creepy face.
Oh my god, I love the tornado. You know, I told Mithy to make it like the one from your dream.
Oh my gosh, it looks just like that.
And then look at the face on the volcano.
Oh, I didn't even notice the face.
And this one is Hurricane Irma in front of us.
Oh yeah.
Ruben!
What is it? Does it have a face?
It has a wither inside. It's like a wither body.
Okay, I'm in the boat with Ruben.
Alright, so I'll get in the one with Bommy and we'll go check the